This is a reading and exercise video. First, you will learn important vocabulary from the text. Each word has a meaning and an example sentence. Then, you will have the text with the new words highlighted. You can pause and read it again. At the end, there is a short quiz to help you remember the words. Let's get started. Anna's wild month in Costa Rica. Vocabulary. I perched, resting or sitting on something high or narrow. The bird was perched on the windowsill, watching us quietly. Edge. The border or end of something. We stood on the edge of the cliff and looked out at the ocean. Cloud forest. A tropical forest with constant mist or clouds, usually in the mountains. We walked through a magical cloud forest, with fog hanging between the trees. Stunning. Extremely beautiful or impressive. The view from the mountain was absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. Very beautiful or attractive. She wore a gorgeous dress to the party. Darting around, moving quickly in different directions. Hummingbirds were darting around the flowers in the garden. I'm pretty rubbish at. I'm not very good at something. I'm pretty rubbish at cooking, but I'm trying to learn. I had such a laugh. I really enjoyed it and laughed a lot. We had such a laugh playing board games last night. Wiping out. Falling hard, especially while doing a sport like surfing or skiing. I kept wiping out when I tried to stand on the surfboard. Ended up. Eventually did something or arrived somewhere without planning it. We got lost and ended up in a small village. Headed inland. I went from the coast towards the center of the country. After the beach, we headed inland to explore the rainforest. Dormant. Inactive but capable of becoming active again, like a volcano. The volcano is dormant, so it's safe to hike there. Soaked, completely wet. I forgot my umbrella and got soaked in the rain. Genuinely, truly or sincerely. I was genuinely surprised by how much I liked the food. Zip-lining. Sliding down a cable while attached with a harness, often in nature. We went zip-lining through the jungle and it was thrilling. We spotted. We saw something, usually by chance. We spotted a monkey swinging in the trees. Bizarre. Very strange or unusual. It was a bizarre experience to see a goat riding in the back of a taxi. Sneaked. Entered quietly or secretly. A cat sneaked into the room while we were eating. Or crumbs. Small bits of food, usually bread or cake. There were cake crumbs all over the table. Paw prints. Marks left by an animal's feet. We saw tiny paw prints in the mud near the river. My wild month in Costa Rica. Jack. I've finally found a decent internet connection. I'm at a little cafe in Monteverde that's perched on the edge of a cloud forest. It's stunning here. Misty trees, hummingbirds darting around, and that fresh smell you only get after rain. It's been almost a month now, and I feel like I've lived 5 different lifetimes. Where to start? I spent my first week in Santa Teresa, this gorgeous surf town on the Pacific coast. I took a few beginner lessons. Turns out I'm pretty rubbish at surfing, but I had such a laugh wiping out over and over. The sunsets there are absolutely unreal. One evening, a group of locals brought guitars to the beach, and we ended up singing under the stars until midnight. After that, I headed inland to La Fortuna. I hiked to the Arenal volcano. Don't worry, it's dormant. And soaked in some natural hot springs. Afterwards, my legs were jelly. One day, we spotted a sloth just chilling in a tree above our heads. Genuinely made my day. I've also tried zip-lining over the rainforest canopy. I was terrified at first, but the view was worth every second of the adrenaline. Something slightly bizarre, a coati like a raccoon, sneaked into my hostel room and stole a packet of biscuits from my bag. I found the crumbs and paw prints the next morning. Cheeky little thing. And now I'm up in Monteverde and went on a night walk in the forest. We saw glowing mushrooms, sleeping toucans, and a tarantula the size of my hand. Not my favourite moment, admittedly. The people here are so warm and welcoming, and I've met travellers from all over. It's been refreshing to chat with strangers over coffee or gallo pinto. That's their national rice and beans breakfast dish. I'll try to message again soon if I can find more Wi-Fi that isn't powered by a hamster wheel. Miss you loads. Give Mum a hug from me. Love, Anna. Vocabulary quiz. What does perched mean? A. Hidden deep inside. B. Balanced or resting on a high place. C. Floating above the trees. D. Attached to a tree branch. B. Balanced or resting on a high place. What does edge mean? A. The entrance. B. The highest point. C. The border or limit of something. D. The middle. C. A forest high in the mountains with mist and fog. What does stunning mean? A. Boring. B. Slightly nice. C. Surprising in a bad way. D. Extremely beautiful or impressive. D. Extremely beautiful or impressive. If something is darting around, it is A. Standing still and watching. B. Running in circles. C. Moving quickly in different directions. D. Flying away and never coming back. C. Moving quickly in different directions. The word gorgeous means A. Horrible. B. Expensive. C. Beautiful. D. Simple. C. Beautiful. What does "I'm pretty rubbish at surfing" mean? A. She is excellent at it. B. She doesn't like it. C. She is very bad at it. D. She refuses to try it. C. She is very bad at it. I had such a laugh means A. I was embarrassed. B. It was funny and enjoyable. C. I hurt myself. D. I was bored. B. It was funny and enjoyable. Wiping out means A. Cleaning the surfboard. B. Falling off the board. C. Quitting surfing. D. Surfing very well. B. Falling off the board. Ended up means A. Finished something. B. Got tired. C. Arrived somewhere by chance. D. Started again. C. Arrived somewhere by chance. Headed inland means A. Went deeper into the sea. B. Travelled away from the coast. C. Climbed up a mountain. D. Took a boat across a river. B. Travelled away from the coast. What does dormant mean? A. Active and dangerous. B. Completely destroyed. C. Silent but may erupt again. D. Covered in snow. C. Silent but may erupt again. I got soaked means A. They fell in love. B. They got very wet. C. They went swimming. D. They relaxed in the sun. B. They got very wet. We spotted a sloth means A. We searched for it but didn't find it. B. We looked at it from far away. C. We saw it by chance. D. We ran after it. C. We saw it by chance. A bizarre experience is A. Completely normal. B. Very strange or unusual. C. Sad and disappointing. D. A romantic moment. B. Very strange or unusual. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave a comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video. If you would like to support the channel, please buy us a coffee in the link below.